Alright, we're asked to simplify this rational expression. The technique that I'm going to use for this case is I'm going to use the order of operations. I'm going to add these two rational expressions up here in the numerator together by finding a common denominator and then adding them together. And then I'm going to divide that by h. Alright, to add these two fractions in the numerator, I need to find a common denominator. In this case, I can't factor them, so I'm just going to multiply them by each other's denominator. So I'll multiply this first fraction by an a in the numerator and denominator. The second fraction, I'll multiply it by an a plus h in the numerator and denominator. So I get a 5a on top here and an a times the a plus h. And over here, I'm going to distribute this 5 to the a and the h, so I'm just going to multiply that out. So this is 5a plus 5h all over this a times a plus h, and all over h still. And now I'm going to subtract these two fractions in the numerator together. Importantly, I need to realize that when I'm subtracting this 5a plus 5h, I'm subtracting all that, so really I'm going to distribute this negative through both of these. 5a minus 5a is 0, so the 5a's here cancel each other out, and I'm just left with the 5h up in the numerator, and then I have my denominator of a times a plus h. Again, that's all being divided by h still. And so now I'm just going to rewrite this expression to be an obvious division. So this top fraction up here is being divided by this h, and so I'm just going to write it like that. So 5h over a times a plus h divided by h. But this divided by h, I invert and multiply, so I'm going to rewrite this as times 1 over h. And then I'm just going to cross cancel these h's and then multiply straight across. So I'm left with 5 over a times a plus h. And that's my final answer.